ICSE Semester 2 Examination Specimen Question Paper Mathematics Section A. I am solving Section A questions. So here 10 questions. We need to attempt all the 10 questions. The point, first question. The point 3, 0 is invariant under the reflection in. We see 3, 0 here 1, 2, 3. So this is 3, 0. It is invariant under reflection in x-axis. Like see, if you take x-axis, it will be the point here same only. If you take along y-axis, okay, the point will come here minus 3, 0. So it is invariant under reflection in x-axis. So the correct option is B. In the second question, in the given figure, AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter of the circle with center O. COB is 55. Okay, then we need to find the value of x. So see here, COB is angle subtended by this arc at the center. So if I use central angle theorem, angle subtended by the arc at the center, is twice the angle subtended by the same arc on the remaining part of a circle. So that will be CAB. So COB is 55 degrees. So twice CAB. So 55 by 2 is CAB. So this angle is 27.5 degrees is CAB. But they are asking this OCA. But see, OC equals OA. These both are radius. So OC equals OA. Reason is radii. So angle OAC, which you got just now, 27.5, equals angle OCA. So OAC, just now you got 27.5 degrees. OCA, which is nothing but x. So x is 27.5 degrees. So the value of angle x is 27.5 degrees. So the correct option is A. If a rectangular sheet having dimensions 22 centimeters and 11 centimeters is rolled along its shorter side to form a cylinder, then the curved surface area of the cylinder so formed. So here I'll take one rectangular sheet. Okay, with dimensions like 22 centimeters and 11 centimeters. So if it is rolled along its shorter side, so this is a shorter side. If I'll roll along its shorter side like this, then I'll get a cylinder in this form. This 22 will become the height of the cylinder. 22 will become the height of the cylinder, and this 11 centimeters will become like circumference of the base, like so. So 11 centimeters will become the circumference. So you'll get a cylinder like this, whose height will be 22. This will be like 22 centimeters, and this circumference will become 2 pi r. 2 pi r equals 11. Now if you'll see, we need to find curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder, the formula is like 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. But see, directly you have the value of 2 pi r, which is 11 centimeters. So 2 pi r you can write as 11, and height is 22. So here 11 times 22 is 242 centimeter square. So the correct option will be D. If the vertices of a triangle are 1, 3, so if the vertices of a triangle are like 1, 3, so I'll take it as ABC. 1, 3, 2, minus 4, and C, minus 3, 1. We need to find the coordinates of the centroid. So they may say coordinates of the centroid, they may ask, or otherwise they may say like point of intersection of medians also. Instead of centroid, sometimes they may ask point of intersection of medians. So point of intersection of medians are coordinates of centroid. Centroid both the same. So centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So here these values you can consider like first one like x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now if we'll substitute in the formula, x1 is 1 plus 2 plus minus 3 by 3. y1 is 3 plus y2 is minus 4 plus y3 is 1 by 3. So here 1 plus 2 3, 3 minus 3 0 by 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 4 that is also 0 by 3. So centroid is here 0 comma 0. So the correct option is A. Fifth question, tan theta into under root. So here's tan theta into under root 1 minus sine square theta. So here if you'll see the identity, the first one like sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So under root 1 minus sine square theta. So cos square theta equals 1 minus sine square theta. So tan theta under root 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta I can write as cos square theta. Square and root cancel. So you are left with like tan into cos theta. So now if you'll replace this, if you'll write tan in terms of sine and cos, tan is sine by cos into cos theta. So cos theta cancel. So you are left with like sine theta. So the correct answer is like correct option is B. The median class for the given distribution is, class intervals are given like 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20. They gave cumulative frequency. See, already they solved the cumulative frequency, because if they'll give frequency, then we'll calculate cumulative frequency, then we'll select the median class. But here already cumulative frequency is given, so total frequency will be like 18. Total frequency is 18. So we'll do n by 2, 18 by 2, which is 9. So 9 in cumulative frequency, where we'll get, that will be our like median class. So in the first class the values will be from 1 to 2. In the second class it will be from 3 to 6. In the third class from 7 to 11. In the last class it will be from 12 to 18. I need 9. 9 you will get here, because here you will get from 7 to 11. So 9 value you will get here. So the median class is 11 to 15. The correct option is C. If the lines 7y equals ax plus 4 and 2y equals 3 minus x, these two lines are parallel, then we need to find the value of a. Okay, so if the lines are parallel, then slopes will be equal. If the lines are parallel, then the slopes will be equal. So write in slope intercept form. So y equals ax plus 4 by 7. So y equals like ax by 7 plus 4 by 7. So it is in the slope intercept form, so which is nothing but y is equal to mx plus c. So here the slope is, it's very clearly coefficient of x. So slope is here a by 7. Slope is a by 7. Now if you'll see this question, y equals, so first write x here, minus x plus 3. So y equals minus x plus 3 by 2. So y equals minus x by 2 plus 3 by 2. So if you compare with the slope intercept form, so here slope is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So as the lines are parallel, the slopes will be equal. Slopes will be equal. So here I can, if you name it m1, m2. So m1 equals m2. So a by 7 equals minus 1 by 2. So a equals minus 1 by 2 times 7. So a equals minus 7 by 2. So the correct option is B. The value of A is minus 7 by 2. Volume of a cylinder is 330 centimeter cube. So volume of cylinder is 330 centimeter cube. So volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. So pi r square h is 330. The volume of the cone having same radius and height as given as a cylinder. So volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. See, if it is having same radius and same height, then pi r square h value will be like same thing we'll get here, 1 by 3 times 330. So if you cancel this, 3 times 1, 3 times 110. So 110 centimeter cube. So the volume of cone is 110 centimeter cube. Correct option is C. In the given graph, the model class is the class with the frequency. See here, it's very clearly the highest frequency is 72. So this will be the model class. So because model class will select by seeing the frequency where we have the highest frequency. So here very clearly the frequency, highest frequency is 72. So the model class will be 2230, that is 72 with frequency 72. So the correct option is A. If the probability of player winning a game is 0.56, the probability of his losing this game. So probability of event plus probability of a not event is always 1. So here winning and not winning. So probability of winning the game is 0.56 plus probability of not winning equals 1. So probability of a not event, that is nothing but not winning here, 1 minus 0.56. 1 minus 0.56 is 0.44. 0.44. So the correct option is C.